Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Proton VPN on Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. In the address bar, type in protonvpn.com and press enter. Wait for the Proton VPN homepage to load completely. Look for the download button on the main page and click it. You will be directed to the downloads page. Here, locate the option for Windows and click on it. The download should start automatically. If prompted, choose a location to save the installer file, then click Save. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where double-click on the installer file to initiate the installation process. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to allow the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. You may be asked to agree to the terms and conditions, read through them and click Agree. Select the installation preferences if prompted, then click Install. Wait for the installation process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once the installation is finished, click Finish to close the installer. You may now find Proton VPN in your Start menu or on your desktop. Double-click on the Proton VPN icon to open the application. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you're a new user, select the option to create an account and follow the prompts. After logging in, you can configure your VPN settings according to your preferences. With everything set, you can now connect to the VPN by clicking the Connect button. Your Proton VPN is now up and running on your Windows computer. Enjoy secure and private browsing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.